You want to make sure your personal data isn't getting accidentally airdropped to another phone when you take it in for repair. I'm Steve from CellMyPhone, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to prepare your phone properly next time you drop it in to be repaired. Tip number 1 is make sure you give the technician a clean phone. Make sure your phone's erased. These days pretty much everything is stored on iCloud and Google Drive anyway. Resetting a backup isn't a big deal anymore. So number 2, if erasing your phone is impossible, keep in mind that the technician doesn't actually need to access your phone in order to check what they've repaired. Things like screen replacements you can check from the lock screen. All the technician needs to do is verify that the device still powers on. He can press a couple of buttons on the screen, maybe try a random passcode, and he's been able to verify it. Camera, microphones, speakers, all of these are available from the lock screen to test. But if they tell you they do, make sure you fully understand why it is that they need your passcode, and make sure you're there, present with them as they're testing the device after the repair's been completed. And number 3, if it's an Android phone that you're taking in to be repaired, keep in mind that Android, most of them anyway, have a lockdown feature. So if you go into settings, you can turn this on, and that will give the technician full access to all of the core features that they need to be able to verify that that repair was completed successfully. Privacy and data security are big topic issues at the moment. So make sure you're well protected and follow CellMyPhone for other important tips.